Number 1. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,900. This is a unique and well-maintained truck with 171,000 miles on the body and a strong Jasper rebuilt V6 engine that has less than 30,000 miles on it. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. Adding to its standout appearance is a vintage 1949-style fiberglass front end. The truck runs and drives great, showing clear signs of recent mechanical attention. It has been fitted with new front brake calipers, a new master cylinder, power steering pump, alternator, and spark plugs. The undercarriage is rust-free, although there is some minor rust present in the cab corners. The paint could use some refreshing, but overall, it's a solid and reliable vehicle. A clean title is in hand, ready for the next owner. Number 2. 1993 Ford F150, price $7,800, well-maintained truck with 123,000 miles. It features a 5-speed manual transmission, 4x4 capability, and a reliable 302 5.0 L V8 engine. The truck runs, drives, and stops well, with many new parts including a clutch, master and slave cylinders, water pump, thermostat, transmission mount, and battery. The exterior is black with fresh paint on the fiberglass bedside and a new passenger fender ready for install. The gray interior is very clean and includes a working Bluetooth radio. Also included are new rotors and engine mounts, rebuilt shifter kit, new belt, spark plugs, brake pads, inspected drums, fuel filter, and a refreshed underside. Number 3. 1985 Chevy pickup truck, price $9,800. It's powered by a 350 engine with an Edelbrock intake and carburetor, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive. The truck sits on a 6-lift with 35 tires, still holding 1532 of tread, giving it an aggressive stance. Recent mechanical work includes a new flywheel, clutch kit, rear U-joints, and newer front ball joints. It also has updated AC Delco power window motors, though the passenger switch only rolls the window down. The driver's switch works for both. The interior needs finishing, there's no headliner and the door panels should be replaced. The body and paint were redone years ago and still look decent. The frame is solid, but it does leak some engine oil, transmission fluid, and transfer case fluid. Number 4. 1989 GMC 2500, price $3,500, with 196,000 miles on the odometer. It features a smooth automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, with a sleek silver exterior that still holds up well. The current owner has invested significantly in its maintenance and performance. It comes equipped with an entirely new brake system, including front pads, rotors, calipers, and hoses, as well as rear drums, shoes, hardware, and wheel cylinders on both sides. The master brake cylinder has also been replaced. In addition to the brake system, the truck has been fitted with new tires, a new battery, and a high-performance KN engine air filter. To ensure reliability, the fuel system has been fully refreshed with a new fuel tank, fuel pump, and fuel lines. It also includes brand new upper and lower ball joints along with a new control arm, ready to be installed. Number 5. 1987 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500. It has only 85,000 original miles on its fuel-injected engine. It features a 3-speed automatic transmission, and the original motor is still in excellent working condition. The truck comes in a clean white exterior with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. Recent upgrades include a brand new bed, a new gas tank, and new brake lines, ensuring it remains reliable for daily driving or weekend cruising. While there is some surface rust, particularly around the cab corner, none of the rust has compromised the structural integrity of the truck. Overall, it's a solid and dependable vehicle with vintage charm and functional updates. Number 6. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has traveled 200,000 miles and is in excellent condition. It features an automatic transmission and a sleek black exterior with a burgundy interior. Running on gasoline, this truck has been well maintained, with a brand new battery, a fresh tune-up, and an oil change. It also boasts a freshly built transmission and a new converter, both installed just a month ago. Everything on the truck works perfectly, including the cruise control, wash fluid, air conditioning, and heat. The truck even still has its original radio. Additionally, it is equipped with a bed liner and comes with a set of 8 rally rims. While the truck may need some work on the cab corners, they are not in bad condition. This truck truly needs nothing and is ready to drive. Number 7. 1979 Ford F100, price $6,500, with 53,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 302 V8 engine paired with a T18 4-speed manual transmission, which includes a granny gear for low-speed crawling. The truck is equipped with 3.70 gears in the 9-inch rear end and is a two-wheel drive model. The exterior is green, matching the green interior, and it runs on gasoline. The truck has been in good overall shape, with new floor pans installed. While the bed floor is rough, it remains functional and usable as is. The truck starts and drives very well, making it a solid candidate for daily use. In fact, it served as a daily driver last summer. The truck does have air conditioning, although it is currently not hooked up. However, the factory parts for the AC system are available. Upon startup, the truck may produce a brief puff of smoke, likely from the valve seals, but this does not seem to affect its performance. Number 8. 1983 Dodge D150, price $5,000. It's powered by a dependable 318 V8 engine paired with a manual 4-speed transmission and equipped with 4-wheel drive, making it capable both on and off the road. The truck has approximately 162,000 miles on the odometer and still performs strongly for its age. The exterior is finished in a classic brown color with a matching tan interior, giving it a timeless, rugged look. Despite some light rust consistent with its age, the body remains in good condition. It has no leaks underneath, and everything functions as it should, including the stereo system, which is in working order. This D150 comes with a clean Colorado title and runs reliably, making it a great choice for someone looking to own a vintage Dodge truck that's both functional and full of character. Number 9. 1987 Ford F150, price $4,100. This is a well-preserved classic pickup with 73,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission with 3 speeds plus overdrive, and is configured as a two-wheel drive. Both the exterior and interior are finished in a matching blue, giving it a clean, cohesive look. Powered by a gasoline engine, it runs and drives great, showing reliable performance even after all these years. Overall, the truck is in solid condition for its age, though there is some rust present under the rear fenders. The tires are nearly new, having less than 1,500 miles on them. Since its last inspection, it has been driven approximately 50 miles, indicating it has seen only light use recently. Number 10. 1986 Ford F150, price $3,000, powered by the legendary 300 inline-6 engine mated to a 4-speed manual transmission. With only 96,000 miles on the odometer, it retains its original charm with a blue exterior and matching blue interior, both in great condition for its age. The truck has been well maintained, receiving new spark plugs, cap and rotor, ignition control module, air filter, fresh oil and filter, a new BrakeMaster cylinder, and brand new hard brake lines front to back. New headlights improve visibility, while kicker speakers and an Apple CarPlay radio add modern convenience. Cosmetically, the truck sports a beautiful natural patina that adds to its classic appeal. Underneath, the frame is spotless with only minor surface rust, reflecting the care it's received over the years.